So this is episode 3. There's a lot of co-working space, share offices space, but no one does it better than We're Brand Boldest.
Anybody that knows me knows that I love WeWork. And I'm so excited to dig in today and talk about the logo, but even more the brand and how it's even affected me as like an entrepreneur and like just what they've done with it. I love it. So let's dig in. WeWork is a shared office space. So it's for everyone. Like we have some entrepreneurs here, some freelancers, solopreneurs, startups, even offices that want like a remote office, and it's really fun because you get to meet like so many different people, different backgrounds, different areas of work. Never know who you can collaborate with, be friends with. So we actually met because of WeWork, because I met someone at WeWork and I know you.
And I think it's unique too because it really promotes where you have office buildings, but everyone shuts their door and keeps to themselves. But they really push the whole collaboration aspect. And it's almost like if you're a small business owner, it allows you to have the feeling of like going into a company and you're among other people instead of by yourself.
They're still a startup. They've got over 100, almost I think 200 locations now. But they are one of the fastest growing startups in the world.
So one of the unique things too, I think, is when you have a WeWork, share space or whatever, you can go California or New York and
or China
you still have that same feeling, you still have that collaboration, and you can pretty much utilize the conference rooms and the meeting rooms and stuff. But tell me a little about the history of WeWork.
So WeWork started in 2011 in New York, and they had their first space there. And the goal really was to be able to bring entrepreneurs together in a space that they could create together and really be together and work together. And there was a lot of bumps in the road as they started it, obviously, with real estate. And 2011, it was kind of coming back up, at that time. The logo, if you look at it, it's lowercase. And it works together, so everything works together in the logo, which is exactly what they wanted to do here. Everything is like tight knit. You can think about that as a community standpoint. It's black, it's very simple. It's like you get what you see, and it's all this right here. And it is one of the most powerful logos that's, I would say, come out in the last 10 years.
And I think it's cool too because the name in itself kind of speaks of the actual organization, what they do, WeWork.
Yeah. Absolutely. And so maybe to some people it sounds like really simple, but it just works. Literally it works together. And even down to the colors that they've chosen. So from a design standpoint, they have chosen colors that are much more relaxing to be able to get you focused in on work. So, and the textures are not distracting, they add to it. And that's what I have loved here, because I'm really particular about where I work, even when I used to work from home a lot. I just love WeWork so much. And I want everybody to come here because it's one of my favorite places in Kansas City. And I've been to only one other location, but it is such a phenomenal brand. What they're doing, what they're building with it is absolutely ridiculous. So yeah, that's WeWork. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, follow, all that fun stuff.
And if you have a logo that you want Rachel and I to evaluate, hey, here's the link below. And send it in. We love to take a look at it, and hopefully you can be the next WeWork.